Learn with Albert Pinto. Hi and hello there. Welcome to my channel. This is Albert Pinto with another tutorial, and this time with affiliated marketing. The top affiliating marketing which ranks number 1 in the affiliation marketing list on the Google, and that is ShareASale, a trusted, in fact the most trusted one. I have affiliation marketing with Amazon as well, and growing slowly with little income. So you too can work online marketing and earn a great deal of money, but remember, it's hard work but will pay you returns for the effort that you will put in. Now coming to the main points, how and when to submit your site for approval. What are the requirements? Why my site was declined or why my approval was rejected? Then what was my reply or what was the clarification I asked them? And then what further clarifications was sent or replied by ShareASale team members? All this coming up in this video. Watch till the end and follow all the steps carefully to gather more knowledge only from Learn with Albert Pinto's channel. Thanks for watching Learn with Albert Pinto technical tips via tutorial. Hey, come on, let's get to work. Type here ShareASale and click on the first link there. The company is reputable and well reviewed, and to sign up the affiliation is free. For your information, ShareASale was founded in 2000 by Brian Littleton and to date has over 16,550 plus merchant programs hosted on its network platform. It is always free to join ShareASale as an affiliate. The sign-up process is quick and easy, and once you are approved into the ShareASale network, thousands of merchant programs will be waiting for you to join them as a partner. You can see the actual figures here: 16,550 plus merchants and 2,25,000 plus publishers, and see the sales generated in millions. Let's try to sign up first. Here you have 3 options and we select the affiliated option. Once you click on that, here you are having your login options. Create your username, type in your password and then select your country. Next, click on step 2. Read the important clauses here. It says you must have at least one website in order to create an account. I will show you the website that I have and will copy that website link here. Now, here you have to answer the other questions, and by providing good information about your site will process the approval fast and quick. Therefore, let's get on with it. Next, remember, your site must be in English only. Well, let me complete the form quickly. Does your website contain adult content? I will put that as no. Do you utilize sponsored listings? I will put that a yes. Do you utilize coupons as part of your promotional strategy? I'll put that as no. Do you utilize a browser add-on? I'll put that as no. Are you an advertising network? I'll put that as no, yes. Do you have a network of publishers to which you deliver ads? I'll put that as no. Do you display advertisements on sites that you don't own? I'll put that yes. And let's submit Step 3. Well, provide your contact details here, your email ID, and click on step 4. Now we are into the last option, and that is your payment details. After providing your payment details, now here is another important details to fill, and that is about your site and the plans you have in order to generate traffic. So I will start, and then here is the final write-up. Then support your phone number. Keep that as it is. Do you own the domain? Click on S and then submit step 5. Oh, I left out something here. Now we will come to payment information. I will go with send check via postal mail and click on complete sign up. Next, the user's terms and conditions, but I cannot see anything here. Let's agree on the above. Click on that and submit. And there you are. An email will be sent to you to follow up. The application will be reviewed within coming 3 days. Let's check the sign up confirmation email now. Let's click on that and reconfirm the link. Well, same thing here. The team will review your application, and so we will wait for their email. You can also use your Genius links once you are approved. I will be coming up soon with Genius link installation and important details on how to use on Blogger as well. Keep watching and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to get instant notification of that video as well. Now this was the site that I had sent for approval. It had some content in there, but it was not completed site. 50% work balance was remaining, but I still went ahead and sent it for approval to see what will be the outcome. And then in 4 to 5 hours time, I received this email: approval declined. Well, let's read the comments from them one by one. Thank you for your application. And then unfortunately at this time we are unable to accept your site for approval. Your application has not been approved as it does not meet our quality requirement. We apologize for any inconvenience this may have caused you. And this is the site that I have sent for approval. Generally, our membership team looks for the following qualities in a site, that is quality design. Then this is what is most important, top level domain, and it says not required but recommended. So this is something very important. Then we have the prospective ability of your site to drive traffic to our merchants. Second point, which is very important as well. And then the third one, no illegal activities, porn, hate, etc. on your site or on sites that you link to. This is another important point. Your site must be up and operational, viewable in order for us to approve you. So this is another point to be remembered. Your site must be up and operational, active. Then the final point, please note that this list is not exhaustive and other factors may influence our decisions. So there can be some other points as well to ponder, to remember. Then I wrote to them another email, and let's check what was the email that I sent to them. And then this is the email that I've received from them. First, let's see what was my requirement, what email I had sent to them. Well, this is the email starting from here, and I said, I apologize to you for not submitting a fully operational site. I was not aware of your requirements for approval. Can I submit another application later with a different fully operational site, or it's the end for me? Now, that was my question. Now let's check what did they reply. They said, thank you for contacting again. You may reapply by following the link below. Please make sure you have cleared your browser history before clicking the link. Now that is the link provided to me. And then it says you will not be able to use the same username. Usernames are unique to every application in our system and cannot be reused. However, merchants will not be able to see your username when you are applying to or are a member of their program. You may receive a notification while filling out a new application that your web address or email is already in use. However, this is simply a notification and will not prevent you from completing the application. Now, this is the email which says and gives further clarification in response to my email. Well guys, thank you for watching my video. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'm just reminding one more time. Take care and be safe always. Bye bye.